Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to count the number of vowels and consonants in a given string. So what is meant by strings? A string is a sequence of characters enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes. For this we will use concepts as string traversal and conditional statements. What do you mean by string traversal? String traversal means to refer the process of iterating through each character in a string one by one. You know guys about conditional statements we talked about before. It allows you to control the flow your program based on conditions that you specified. For this we are using a simple iterative solution method. Now let let us see, let us implement the logic in Python. Now we will take one input string. This input string we will assign hello. Then we will initialize two counters, which is vowel counter to 0 and consonant count to 0. Now we will define vowels here, which is vowels. We will take as A, E, I, O, U, small letters and capital letters. A, E, I, O, U. Isn't it? Now we will iterate through each character in a string. For this, we will take one for loop for air in input string. Now we'll check if the character is in alphabet. So some members mistakenly assign it values to int, right? So we will check if the character is alphabet. But this we will take conditional statement if there is alphabet. What string alphabet methods returns true if all the characters are alphabet letters. Then we will check if that character is in vowels. If it is in vowel, then it will increment the vowel count by 1. Else, if it not in vowel, then it will increase the consonant count by 1. Consonant count by 1. Then we will print the result. Print vowels. That is vowel count. Next, print the consonant count. Let's debug and run. We will make a breaking point. Now we will debug and run the code. It will take a minute. We will wait for a moment. Just a moment guys. Now we will have input string as hello and here vowel count is 0 and vowels are A, E, I, O, U, which is in capital letters and small letters. Now we will step over into it. If character is alphabet, so here vowel count is 0, here consonant count is 0, so we initialize that. If character is alphabet, then check if character is vowel, so it will check if H is in vowels. If not, it will print consonant count. Let us see here. So it prints consonant count because H is not vowel, right? It will loop through and print all the consonant counts and vowel counts from this string. Let us see that. Now E, it will be in vowels here. So it will print vowel count by increment by 1. Let's see this. So we have vowel count 1. Now it will check L. If character is alphabet, if L is alphabet, then it will check this condition. If it is true, it will increment the vowel count. If it is false, then it will increment the consonant count. See here, we have consonant count increment by 1. Now it will loop through over this. It will increment the consonant count. It will check char O. Then it will print the vowel counts. So we have two vowels from the hello string and three consonants from the hello string. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share this video.